bank number 3 does not want to work. But as you see, bank number 1, bank number 2, bank number 4, they work fine. This is a 4K MK-460 PC, and it charges at 15 amps per bank. Okay, 3 banks work perfect. I don't know what's wrong with that one, but for me, I don't stick around to find out. Let me turn this around. When I don't have something working, I don't send it in for warranty. I just buy a new one. So let me get this sun out of my face. I'm gonna give you an opportunity to pick this item up, and I'll show you the new one. So what I'm gonna do is take that brand new one and replace this one here, well, one of the banks. Again, the 3rd bank is not working, and I'm just gonna put my new one in. So if you want to pick up the MK-460 PC at 15 amps per side on a 4 bank, and 3 banks are working just fine, it could be something simple to fix the other bank, so you got 4 banks. Me, I ain't finna wait around to find out. I'm just gonna buy a new one. Let me know.